Hi guys, this is Cami at Camming Wing LLC, and I want to introduce you guys to the first and ever Pro 2-in-1 mascara and eyeliner in a tube. For professionals. All right, you guys, as you guys know, I'm not just a brand owner, but I am an artist. And I've tried everything in the beauty industry, you guys. I do nails, I am a makeup artist, I am a lash artist, I am a brow artist, I am a wax, whatever you can think of in the beauty industry, I've done it and done it well, okay? So the reason why I created this product, this pro product, I'm a professional. So I wanted to create as a mascara and eyeliner for professional makeup artists, because you know, as a pro makeup artist, first of all, mascaras are expensive AF, okay? And if you're a pro, you can't double dip. You know, so that's the problem. And all my friends are celebrity makeup artists, and I just see them buying like mascaras, and I just seeing them, you know, having to kind of like, take out brushes, like open up, you know, the mascara bottle, and then like, you know, using different brushes and just, you know, just taking it in and out. And first of all, it's not sanitary. The mascara dries up real quick. And how is it a professional product? There's no professional products out there that is a mascara and eyeliner 2-in-1 that won't dry out and that is sanitary. I am a 2-in-1 gal, you guys. Time is money for me. So when I create products like, especially, you know, you guys know that I own a lash company. So all my professional liquids and creams are mostly 2-in-1. Everything is 2-in-1, 3-in-1, 4-in-1, because as a pro, you know, we make money, you know, on the hour by the hour. So as you guys know, like, that's why I had to not only create a mascara, but also an eyeliner, mascara and eyeliner formula 2-in-1, you know, so that you can use it as a mascara and eyeliner. Come on now, you guys. Yes, I did that. Let's talk about the packaging, you guys. It is black because mascara, yo, it gets dirty and it gets really messy. So absolutely we need it to be black, okay? And as you can see, what is so wonderful about, look, okay, you guys, size matters to me. Okay, size really does matter to me. The bigger the better, okay? Because as pros, we need it to be big. So that's why this mascara and eyeliner 2-in-1 is 20 grams, you guys. 20 grams, okay? Let me show you. 20 grams. Ooh, I'm gonna show you what it equals out to, but okay? So this is 20 grams. It's black, okay? And it comes with a free, you guys, look at this. This is free right here. This is the wand, you guys. This is you get 2-in-1. Look at that, 2 sides, okay? So when you buy my mascara and eyeliner 2-in-1, you get the thin, look, this is thin. Look, for tight lining, ooh, tight lining the waterline, and also bottom, look, lower lashes, bottom lashes. Look at that. Because you know they're really thin and they're really hard to get, so you need, this brush is everything, you guys. See, so that's the thin brush on one side, and the other side, ooh, this is like my favorite type of spoolie, you guys, of mascara wand. Look, the brush. So you get a big side, thicker side, and this side is a thinner side. Look at that. So this is free when you buy my Pro 2-in-1 mascara and eyeliner 2-in-1. All right, you guys, check it out. As you guys can see, there are 12 brushes right here. We have our silicone brushes, our silicone mascara brushes, and we have our synthetic mascara brushes right here. Each style, as an artist, you know, you can, as an artist, as a consumer, you can pick out whatever style of mascara brush you like, because you know, I heard because when it comes down to mascara, you know, I think that everybody has a personal preference on which brushes they like. So I have it all, you guys. I have over 12 brushes that I sell separately, okay? And each pack comes in, it's a 50 pack. So you can choose whatever style you want, and it comes in a 50 pack. See that? So we have 6 styles of, you see that, you guys? Of the synthetic. And we have 6 styles of the silicone that you can choose from. So as a professional, you can customize it. You can even buy all 12 to see which one you like. We have a combo pack. All right, you guys, so let me show you the comparison with a regular mascara and this is 20 grams. So 20 grams is equal to 3 of these mascaras. You see this, you guys? So you're saving so much money. Wow, look at that. One of this is compared to 3 of these bottles. All right, guys, so let me open it up. Let me show you guys how to use it. I'm gonna open it up. See, there's a nice seal here. So what I do is I just remove it. All right. Okay, here, let me show you guys. Okay, so, oh, it's so beautiful, so dark. Look at that. So this is, shoot, all you need, even less than that. Okay. As you can see, I just swooped out just a little amount. You can use, like, it's a personal preference on how much you want to use. This is probably a little much, but what I like to do is, you see, I just kind of swirl. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous, you guys. Look at how dark and look at how matte this formula is. So I like to just twirl my brush. See, just like that. Oh, look at how much you're saving. Look, this, and you don't have to like go in and out, plump it up and down. Look. Oh, all right. So that's that. Okay, so mascara, you know, we just apply it like that. Wow, look at that. Look at the lengthening, you guys. So it lengthens. Ooh. And let me tell you, this formula is so amazing. There's so many mascaras out there. By the way, this is waterproof also. There's so many like mascaras. Look at how, oh my God, look at the length. You see that? You guys, compared to, ooh, look at the lengthening on this. So there's so many mascaras that, you know, I've been wearing throughout the day, and what's the word, you guys? It clumps and it falls off. If there's so much fallout, there is no fallout with my mascara. It is so black and it lengthens. Look at that. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Look at how much product you can get. Oh my God, look at that. You see that, you guys? Oh, can we just talk? Can I just give a shout out to Rose and Ben? Congratulations, Rose and Ben, on their launch of their new makeup brushes. Oh my gosh, these are amazing, you guys. So to do the eyeliner today, I'm going to use the E26 eyeliner brush by Rose and Ben, my favorite. She's my favorite. Shout out to Rose. Hi, Rose. All right, check it out, you guys. So not only can you use my Pro 2-in-1 as a mascara, but it's also an eyeliner. So I'm gonna use my Rose and Ben angled eyeliner brush, okay? All right, here we go, you guys. So I'm gonna go in, see, and very little. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Ooh, you see that? Well, we're gonna show you on an actual model, but I just wanted to show you. Look at this, you guys. Look. Oh my gosh, look at that. So you can use it as an eyeliner. Look. Oh my God, this brush, you guys, is so easy. Wow. Oh my God. Holy wow, what a fucking amazing brush. But look at the eyeliner though. Ooh, you guys, look how it dries instantly. Look at that, mattifying. It mattes out. You see that? All right, you guys, so it dried down already. Look at the matte. All right, you guys ready? Oh my God. Look, where? Look, real time, you guys. Oh, ow. Look at that. Where? What transfer? Look. Okay, guys. Wow, you are so welcome. All you professional makeup artists out there, I created the best thing ever for you guys. It is my Pro 2-in-1 mascara and eyeliner. And shout out to Rose and Ben, the best brushes ever to use as an eyeliner brush. You guys, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and make sure that you go out and get this, especially if you are a pro makeup artist, a makeup artist. This will save you so much money and time. This will change, this product here change the game. I just want to say I am the first one. I am the first one because I'm a pro, you guys. Anybody that comes out with it afterwards, just know that Camming Wing LLC did it first. Over here, you guys. Yes, you're welcome, you guys. All right, you guys, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube. Turn on your notifications. You do not want to miss any other makeup tutorial, lash tutorial, beauty tutorials. 2022, we are hitting it hard, you guys. This is my new product for 2022. I love you guys. All right, I'll see you guys next time.